doors opened 10 seconds ago.
Yeah, I know, man.
This is legit. Hold that head up. Hold that head up.
Try it, dude. I want to eat
I don't think you have to convince it.
Ready?
All right, switch. Looks like, and there's a car on the trailer that doesn't need to be on the trailer. So we got lucky. Real lucky. Did you stay up and detail your car last night?
I'm gonna have to do it there.
Well, it's a good thing we still have our cutter and buffer.
Relax. You left that back in Seattle.
What's that?
Did you vlog? Just the vlog?
Are you keeping me accountable? Hey, that's a nice steering wheel you got there.
Yeah, whose is it, I wonder?
Is it always like this?
Yes.
You're like herding cattle and sheep. The doors opened 10 seconds ago.
Yeah, I know, man. You need to chill, bro.
I'm trying to like just get the Legends background. There you go. Say what's up.
What's up, bro?
Ooh, this is legit. Daniel.
How's it going, dog?
Good. Hey, actually, I want to talk to you. What am I doing?
Alright, you're gonna take over the vlog.
All right.
We
have to switch.
I want like.
We have to like switch cameras at the same time.
Do we touch tips?
Yeah.
Just add a little sprinkle of the Zwingfilms
Okay.
in today's vlog.
Okay.
Ready?
All right, switch. All right. Oh, dude, there's no flip out monitor?
No. You're
So I'm going
solo.
blind?
You're solo.
Shoot.
Good luck.
All right.
Remember to hit the record button.
It's recording.
Do it. Have fun.
All right. I'm taking over Dustin's vlog. Have you guys seen the line for Dustin? Look at this line.
We're right here. We're at Twin Revolution. It's your girl Sarah Jane. We got
Take me to your favorite car.
my favorite car. This one. You guys want to say hi too?
Get a picture with you. What's up, man?
This is
You want to
legit.
get a picture?
This is cotton candy. No, this is perfect.
Do you drive this?
No, I would if it were just the slightest change.
Okay.
Instead of a Miata, make it a BMW series.
There you go. That's nice.
Okay.
What's up, bro? Good ain't you? Look at this car. What do you think about this car?
I like it.
Do you?
I definitely drive this one.
You know what you guys do need to learn about is screw weekly.
Bro, I'm sweating.
Who taught you the upside down glide cam trick? Who taught you? Who taught you that?
What vlog was that?
Vlog.
camera tricks with
Oh,
Michael Zeal, House
vlog
on You.
8? No way. Hold that head up. Hold that head up. Right there.
She's
Oh my
fine.
god,
Is
I'm
this
dying.
like making your mom,
Yes, like-
your mom and you like boil right now?
Babe. Babe.
We're gonna convince this guy to get a BMW.
Try it, dude. I want to eat.
I don't think you have to convince him. He already wants one.
I really want to eat 92, but I want to drift that.
Yo, you do want to drift that?
I just come to
Yeah.
Justin.
Justin?
I drive that out back over
Good to
there.
meet you.
Super ugly, useless.
I didn't hear what you
Very
said.
impressed with how you did the rear end in
Oh.
such a short amount of time.
I find it too that this guy can take off his whole rear end way quicker than I can take off my front bumper. I really do like this car. It's pretty sick.
You gotta tell the vlog.
Wasn't it totaled like
2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago?
All right, so I'll explain.
I get it.
This is the cage for the fuel cell,
Yeah.
and I added a layer of angle iron right here, which is not welded. Okay, it's bolted on.
Solid.
1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Unbolt 1, 2, 3, 4. Slips the whole thing out. Quarter panel, taillights, trunk, bumper, everything comes off in one piece.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's what's up, dude.
There's a little gap right here. You can see that.
Oh, yeah, just a little bit. This is pretty impressive.
Is this your husband right here?
This is my husband.
Who's this guy? How cute this guy is. Look at that cute smile. Such a cute. What's your name?
That's a good question. Austin.
So how do we make this more Austin? How do we personalize it for Austin? First of all, like the bumper obviously needs to be replaced. It looks like crap.
I always like, if you always find like a BMWs, if you got rid of like the,
Kidney girls?
yeah, the inside part of them, but kept like the outside trim.
Okay, so just the outside trim.
Yeah.
I've seen in Europe a lot of people do that, and they put their turbos, they put the filter right here. So this guy right here usually sits right here, or like one will be an intake, kind of like the headlight.
Yeah, I think it looks dope because it looks like it's still like super raw.
I like that
Kinda goes
idea
with the
though.
whole car.
Okay. What do you guys think? 1 out of 10.
I give it a 55.
Oh come on.
I do.
What's your rating? 10?
Fender on the front.
Yeah, this is a 6. It's a 6 out of.
I mean, I don't know if I would give it a 10, but
You don't see it ever. And even at 10, after seeing the video of you with the Christmas tree on the top, ripping it to the
is
street.
that what gives it the 10?
That's what gives it the 10 is that it's usable.
Function over form.
I give it a 10.
Look at that, bro. Come on.
Bro, that's street cred. Bro, it's missing a steering wheel.
I don't know.
Oh, true.
Functionality. Yeah, if you're missing a wheel, how are you even supposed to drive it?
That's a good point. I don't have a steering wheel.
And no horn. That's unsafe. You don't even have a horn.
I don't have a horn, you're right.
Okay, you can manage without a wheel, but a horn?
You live in Seattle, dude.
Yeah.
You don't have a horn.
I do need a horn. I'm gonna sign the autographs for a little bit. All right, who's next? Who's taking a picture for us? I don't know. We got a phone right here. Excuse me,
Snap,
sir.
snap, snap.
Take this photo.
Here we go.
Hey, thanks for coming up, dude. Really appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
It means a lot that you're a big fan.
Yeah.
Me too.
So
All right,
stupid.
vlog takeover.
While Zach meets his fans, I have to pee. So this year we have just a pretty cool car here. Oh, here's another pretty cool car. Still going strong. Vlog takeover successful. Now I have to actually, go back.
Hey, sorry guys, I'm not actually Dustin. I didn't really lie to you, but
The worst.
kiss up.
Oh yeah, I got
Is this the one that Randy from Eliminate drove?
10?
Yes, it was.
That gives it a 10?
Yeah, I'm a big fan of the gold access.
Okay. 10? No way.
I'll give it a 9.
There you go. That's more realistic. I like this guy. You guys are all kissing my ass.
Kissing Randy's ass is what it is.
Yeah, there you go. That's the best I got.
Okay, that works.
Death to thieves.
Yeah.
Represent.
Dude, I even got this is a new one too.
Is it sick?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay. What's your name? Andrew.
Andrew, hey, this is the guy right here, bro. I really like this build. Man, I really like it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yo, it's a sick car, man.
You know what? I'm very tired because of you.
You're tired because of me?
Well, I'm tired not because of you. I'm tired.
Yeah, you're tired because of me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cool, right?
Oh, you changed teams, eh?
Yeah. No longer affiliated with Zwingfilms anymore. Legends Media. We jumped ship. Couldn't deal with that guy. He kept me up super late last night.
We jump ship. You jump ship.
Yeah. Oh. Get rid of that crap. Stupid.
I should be driving an E36.
You should be. But you do, don't you?
I do.
You do.
Because of you.
Because of me? Shut up.
The daddy gram right here. You guys already know what's going down right now.
Get in here.
Look at this fool.
Look at this fool. This is this guy's like stomping ground.
Yo, where's their grub at for real? Right here.
Daniel Covarrubias. Am I saying it wrong? Correct me if I'm wrong.
I'm saying it right.
Daniel Covarrubias. This is a video on how to Daniel Covarrubias my car. So what would you do to Daniel Covarrubias this car?
3-piece right away.
Okay, 3-piece right away. Get rid of the monoblocks.
No spacers.
Get out of it. Get rid of those.
You need to sit on the tire, not the wheel. No tucking involved.
Okay, so rim's gotta be making love to the quarter panel right here.
Like I want
like
smoke
this.
from the rubber to the fender, for sure.
Okay.
That's the first step.
Go around to the front. What else? How do we Daniel Covarrubias the front of the car?
You're kind of doing it right here.
That's step
Is
one.
this good? That's step one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's step one. You work from that. That's pretty G. I would have done that. That's pretty good.
That's Daniel Covarrubias? Okay.
Yeah, that's the setup. Just me, I'll scratch the rally car.
The dash car or the fog light?
The light.
The light bar?
Yeah.
What do you think about the light bar? Do you hate it?
Since you don't have a light right there, I allow it. I allow it.
You allow it?
I allow it. If you had both lights, I'd be like, cut that shit, bro.
Honestly, pretty good. I don't know. What kind of I approve.
Is the interior though?
Interior, that's dope.
So do we get the Daniel Covarrubias thumbs up or thumbs down?
Hey.
Yeah, this is dope.
Yo, dude, that's so sick. Daniel Covarrubias approves. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. This is my camera.
Yeah, I'm helping you vlog.
So talented.
Wait, you gotta talk about your childhood, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Much better.
Yeah, dude, just in here chilling in the new whip.
In Dad's car.
Dad's car.
Yeah, we're just
Dad, Zach over here.
Yeah.
Just nice drift build.
Oh yeah, dude.
Dude, thing is sexy. What the heck is this thing?
Oh.
Shoot. What's a Skurawakle? What's a Skurawakle, dude?
Oh my
Gosh, dude. How do you drive a car with no steering wheel? What the heck, dude? David, this guy doesn't have a steering wheel. What the heck?
I think I might have a screwdriver in my car.
If he has a BMW, why doesn't he?
I got pliers.
Yeah, dude. Freaking Beamer.
Why is he
wheels
worried
is.
about that?
Yeah.
Do you need pliers so you can like a vice grip?
Do you have some?
Yeah.
What do you think about the whip?
I think it's pretty good. Dad's pretty nice, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, having your coolant hose run through your car is pretty dope.
Yeah.
I'm only an iPhone.
Harley Quinn.
So I would not know.
I've actually been called that a few times.
Really? You hold this.
Okay.
If it's too light or too dark, just adjust that ring, okay?
Okay. Get the lighting right.
All right, it's getting bright. It's getting bright.
It's getting real bright.
bright, too
Oh,
bright.
Too bright. Too bright. We're toning it down a little bit.
Bring the ISO. There we go, 200, and now you can make that bright. There we go.
There we go.
Look who we just ran into.
You like my friend's car? Ferrari wheels.
It's nice. It does have Ferrari wheels on
Ferrari
it.
game.
Maserati.
Ferrari game.
The exact same thing, just from the other night, happened again. Dude, you're kidding me. Look at that. Oh my gosh, new axle. It looks like we just need to put a new bushing on the diff cover. Here's the good news. These guys happen to bring a trailer. And there's a car on the trailer that doesn't need to be on the trailer. So, we got lucky.
Real lucky.
Real lucky.
Okay.
Yeah.
We winching it on or we driving it on?
Oh, I'm driving it.
Okay, let's
Here.
go.
I just need.
Okay, turn it off. You need to switch it.
Good right here.
Stop.
Is the bumper getting crushed?
No, it's back up. The thing fall off. You're good. Keep going. Stop. How does it feel?
What? This is amazing. It's like, oh, my car's broken. Now we need to wait for it to wait. Just kidding.
It's your fun ride, right?
Yeah.
So the car is back on the trailer.
I'm in. You're good right here. Okay. Thanks, bro.
How many was the same year that popped too?
What? All that work we just did to replace this one. Oh, gotta take it out again.
This won't take 3.5 hours.
Alright, guys.
Did you return the...
Yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Tuner Evo. What'd you think about it?
It was pretty good, actually. It was pretty lit.
Ahmed thinks it was pretty good. He thinks it actually was pretty lit. Navi?
It was nice. It's really nice. I'm tired.
Hey, that was a fun trip.
It was.
It was a fun little quick trip for us. Nothing too crazy happened.